What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And so before you continue, make sure you like this video, comment, share, turn on post notification so that you can get notified when I upload a new video, and make sure you watch to the end. And so it's been long ever since I did a makeup tutorial for you guys, and so today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Make sure you learn something. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you have a spoolie or a brush. So you're just going to brush through your eyebrows like that. And then after that, you're going to need to have a sharp pencil, a sharp eyebrow pencil. This is Davis number 3 eyebrow pencil. And so you're just going to line on the lower side first. Then you're going to line on the upper side, starting from around here. Hivyo. Then after that, you're going to brush again. Then you're going to fill in. You just draw hair like strands slightly, don't be too harsh. Then after that, you're going to pick your spoolie again and brush through for you to get that fluffy look. You see that? Then after that, you're going to clean your eyebrow. If you have messes, it's not a must, but it's good to do so. So I'm going to use Elegant Pro Concealer. Elegant Pro Concealer, this is the shade Cool Tan, and a flat brush. So you need to be gentle while concealing your eyebrows. Usimess. Make sure you have a mirror, and also make sure you're following the shape of your eyebrow. So the remaining product is what I'm going to use to conceal the upper side. You can as well use your foundation, a foundation that matches your skin tone. And then you're going to blend. You can blend using a beauty blender or your finger, or just the same brush, but make sure you have no excess concealer on the brush if you're going to use the same brush that you use to conceal. Yeah, so you can see that it looks more like natural if you blend well, and if you don't overfill. Like, just go by how your eyebrow looks. You're just going to need to do the same thing on the left eyebrow. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Make sure you like or give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section what you think. Share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. We meet again in the next video. Bye.